Okay, now we're starting the air brake test. And the first step you do is you need to turn the key on. As here I'm looking at all my lights, just waiting for the ABS light to go off. Good, and it went off. That means that we don't have any issues with the air ABS system.
Dispatch to Brook 469.
So, ABS light went off. Now we turn on the engine. Now I'm looking for the air gauges to fill up all the way to 120 psi, or I'm going to listen for the air governor cutoff. Okay. In the meantime, I'm going to use my seatbelt. Make sure you always have your seatbelt on. I'm going to use a cruise control real quick just so we can accelerate the process of the filling up the air gauges. Again, we're waiting for my gauges to get all the way to 120 psi or governor cutoff. Okay, I hear the governor cutoff. I'm going to turn off the cruise control. Now I'm going to turn off the engine. Or turn off the engine. Now I want my key back to the on position because I want my gauges to work. Okay, good. I'm going to release the parking brake. Okay, hold on, because the bus is going to move a little bit. Good. Now I'm going to put pressure on my service brake. Now I'm looking at my gauges to make sure that they stabilize. Once they stop moving, I'm going to ask the examiner, can you please start the time for 1 minute starting now? Okay, the examiner is gonna get the watch for one time. Once it reaches 1 minute, I'll say good. The bus did not lose more than 3 psi. Okay, now the next thing I'll do is make sure I'm going to pump on the brake down to 60 psi, and my warning light should come on. Okay, so I'll start pumping on the brake. I see that my warning lights are working. I'm going to continue pumping on the brake, and once it reaches between 20 to 40 psi, my parking brake should pop out. Good, I see that my parking brake popped out. My air brake system works.